As an accounting software expert, I often encounter business owners, freelancers, and budding entrepreneurs who are looking for the right tools to manage their finances. FreshBooks frequently comes up in these conversations, lauded for its user-friendly interface and focus on invoicing, expenses, and time tracking, particularly appealing to service-based businesses. A common and very sensible question that follows is, does FreshBooks have classes? The simple answer is that FreshBooks itself doesn't typically offer traditional, structured classes in the same way a university or a dedicated training institute might. However, that does not mean there's a lack of educational resources or ways to learn the software. On the contrary, FreshBooks, like most modern accounting software providers, has invested heavily in a variety of learning pathways designed to get users up and running quickly and efficiently. It's crucial to understand the distinction. When people ask about classes, they often envision live, instructor-led sessions, perhaps with a syllabus and a certificate at the end. While FreshBooks doesn't primarily operate on this model for general users, they provide a robust ecosystem of learning tools and resources that cater to different learning styles and needs. Here's a breakdown of how FreshBooks supports its users in mastering the software. 1. Comprehensive knowledge base and help center. At the forefront of FreshBooks learning resources is its extensive online help center. This is a treasure trove of articles, how-to guides, and frequently asked questions, FAQs, that cover every feature of the software. From setting up your account and sending your first invoice to managing expenses and generating reports, you'll find step-by-step instructions, often accompanied by screenshots or short videos. This is a self-paced learning environment, perfect for those who prefer to read and follow along. 2. Video tutorials and webinars. For visual learners, FreshBooks offers a collection of video tutorials. These short, focused videos demonstrate specific features or workflows within the software. They're excellent for quickly grasping how to perform a particular action. Additionally, FreshBooks regularly hosts webinars, which are essentially online seminars. While not classes in the traditional sense, these webinars often delve deeper into specific topics, demonstrate advanced features, or provide tips and tricks for optimizing your FreshBooks usage. They may be live, allowing for Q&A, or pre-recorded for on-demand viewing. 3. FreshBooks for Education program. This is where FreshBooks does come closest to offering structured classes in a specific context. FreshBooks has a dedicated program for educators and students. This initiative provides free access to FreshBooks accounts for educational purposes and offers classroom material broken down into modules. These modules cover topics like starting a business, project management, invoicing and getting paid, and cash flow and expenses. This material includes in-class activities and assignments, making it a valuable resource for teachers who want to incorporate real-world accounting software into their curriculum. 4. Accounting Partner Program and Certification. For accounting professionals, bookkeepers, accountants, CPAs, who work with multiple clients using FreshBooks, there's a specialized Accounting Partner Program. This program offers resources, support, and crucially certification. While not a class for general users, this certification process is a structured learning path for accounting professionals to become proficient in using FreshBooks to serve their clients. It involves modules, videos, downloadable templates, and even interactive case studies. This demonstrates FreshBooks' commitment to ensuring that professionals who advise businesses on their platform are well-versed in its capabilities. 5. Third-party training and certified advisors. Beyond what FreshBooks directly provides, there's a thriving ecosystem of third-party trainers and certified FreshBooks advisors. These are independent professionals or training companies that offer their own courses, workshops, and one-on-one training sessions on FreshBooks. Often, these trainers are FreshBooks certified partners themselves, meaning they have undergone rigorous training and demonstrated expertise in the software. This option is ideal for those who prefer personalized instruction, have very specific business needs, or want a more hands-on, interactive learning experience. Many of these third-party offerings come with a cost, but they can be invaluable for gaining in-depth knowledge and tailored support. Why this approach? From an accounting software expert's perspective, FreshBooks' approach to user education makes a lot of sense for a cloud-based software. Agility and updates. Cloud software is constantly updated. A rigid, fixed curriculum would quickly become outdated. FreshBooks modular and online resources allow for rapid updates to reflect new features or changes. Self-service and scalability. Most users prefer to find answers quickly on their own. A comprehensive help center and video library are highly scalable solutions that can serve millions of users without requiring constant direct interaction. Targeted learning. Users often need to learn specific functions rather than the entire software suite. The segmented nature of FreshBooks resources allows users to jump directly to what they need. While FreshBooks may not offer classes in the traditional university sense, it provides a rich and diverse array of learning resources, from free online articles and video tutorials for general users to structured educational programs for schools and a robust certification pathway for accounting professionals. FreshBooks ensures that users have ample opportunities to learn and master its platform. For businesses looking to adopt FreshBooks, the availability of these resources means you can be confident that you and your team will have the support needed to effectively manage your financial operations.